Scented Slime by Amy, so I picked up a bunch of slime and I'm going to be doing a 100% honest review of it. Make sure if you haven't already subscribed, you go ahead and click the red subscribe button so you can always see when I upload a new video. Alrighty, let's jump into the video. So up first we have the slime care pack, and in here was a cute little slime care sheet and a little bag of borax, and what also came with the package is an already made up slime activator and spray bottle, which I thought was awesome. So the first slime we have here is called Peach Green Tea Lemonade, and this is a thick slime. It's called a thick slay slime, and this is a 6 ounce. This slime is so amazing. I was so impressed by it. It is so thick and dreamy. It's really creamy. It's great for swirls. And it's got, I think, a very light peach scent, which goes along with the name. And it's literally like the smoothest and softest slime ever. I'm obsessed with it. And it also came with this adorable little peach charm. And I love slimes that come with charms. I just think it makes it so much cuter. Up next we have April Showers, and this is a cloud slime, and this is a 4 ounce. So this is a green slime, and then it's got pastel foam beads, which I guess are meant to be like the flowers in the grass meadows. Do you know how in spring there's like flowers in grass? I don't know, that's just what I thought she was going for with this slime. And then there's also a tiny ladybug charm, which is perfect for this slime because it's spring themed. It had a really nice light fresh scent, and what I loved about this slime, it was that it drizzled straight away, like straight out of the container. It was falling perfectly. The only thing about this slime is that I found that a few of the foam beads would drop out of the slime. It was having a hard time holding on to them, but other than that, I really like this slime. Up next we have Crazy Kettle Corn, and this is a 6 ounce, and it's such a pretty light pink color. So on top we just have some small and large foam beads, and then the base of this slime was so glossy. It wasn't actually picking up on camera just how glossy it was. I also got amazing bubble pops from this slime, and it was just really addicting to play with because it just gave the best bubble pops, and it was so good for poking. It also had a really light sweet scent, which I thought went perfect with the theme. Up next we have Popstar Cloud Slime, and this is a bestseller, so I knew I had to pick it up and try it. So this is a 6 ounce, and it comes with a cute little colorful lollipop charm, and there's also some little glitter confetti stars in here as well. So this is a really pretty light pink color, and again, just like with the other cloud slime I tried before, it fell amazingly, and this one literally feels like a cloud. It is so lightweight and airy. It also has a really nice light sweet scent which goes perfectly with this slime, and I can definitely see why this is a bestseller. This is probably the best cloud slime I've ever come across. It's just so lightweight and dreamy, and oh my gosh, you guys, if you're going to check out one of their slimes, definitely go for this one. Now this slime was just too cute not to get. So this is Cookie Monster slime and this is a 6 ounce, and as you can see it's a really pretty light cornflower blue color, and this is such a lovely slime. It's got a really nice sweet cookie scent which goes perfectly with the Cookie Monster theme, and it also came with 2 of the cutest charms I've ever seen, a little cookie and then of course a little Cookie Monster. Up next we have a half phloem, and this is called Pastel Pop Half Phloem, and this is a 6 ounce. And I love the colors that they chose for the foam beads in this. They just worked so well together. So the base of this is a really pretty, I guess you'd call it like a light lilac, and it's nice and glossy and thick, and this slime smells like candy to me, which I love. This slime also had amazing bubble pops, and I loved this little surprise charm. I had no idea that it came with a charm, so when I found this in the slime, it made me really happy. Up next we have a butter slime, and this is Sunshine Butter Slime, and it's a 6 ounce, and this is probably, I would have to say, it's definitely one of my favorites from this slime package. It is the most incredible butter slime I have ever come across. I've literally been sitting here for probably the last half an hour playing with it. So this slime has a really nice summery tropical scent, and then you also get a really cute charm, and I got a flamingo, and I love flamingos, so I was super happy with this charm. And it's just an amazing butter slime. It's literally so smooth. I could seriously play with this slime for hours. Up next we have Strawberry Moo Shake. That name is so cute, and this is a 6 ounce, and this is such a nice glossy thick slime. It also smells like strawberry yogurt to me, but I love the scent of strawberry yogurt, so that's totally fine. And it came with the cutest little strawberry charm I've ever seen. I really like this slime. It was great for poking, great for bubble pops, and it was just a really beautiful slime. I really can't fault this one, and it is so smooth and glossy. Oh my gosh. Up next we have Cotton Candy Baby Cloud Slime, and this is a 6 ounce, and this is meant to be, I think, blue and pink, but mine's kind of mixed, so it made purple and pink, which is still so beautiful. I love two-toned slimes. So this also had some little pink and blue foam beads in it, and then it came with a little pacifier charm, and mine was blue. And again, just like the other cloud slimes, it was perfect. It fell amazingly, super lightweight and airy, just like a actual actual cloud, I would like to think, and a really nice scent. I really loved all the scents of these slimes. There wasn't one scent that I didn't like. And let me know in the comments below if there are any slime shops in particular that you would like me to review in the future. That's where I always go, is to my comments when I'm looking for a new slime shop to check out. So I'll make sure to check out what comments you guys leave. So that's all we have time for. I will leave another video right here, which I think that you will love. It is another slime review video that I definitely think you should check out. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you click the red subscribe button so you can always see when I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!